Salem refuses to allow Salem Village independence. Here's the Salem Witch Hunt Daily Report for Friday, March 22nd, 2024. On March 22nd, 1692, Rebecca Nurse's Shape allegedly assaulted Ann Putnam Sr. again, fighting her for 2 hours and trying to get her to sign a little red book. Salem held a town meeting that day. It was decided that the town would not relinquish Salem Village. Voters, however, did agree to free villagers of their obligation to support the town ministers now that the village had an ordained minister of its own. The villagers were also relieved of any obligation to support repairs to the town meeting house in exchange for relieving the townspeople of any obligation to fund road work in the village. Around this time of March 1692, a delegation of family and friends visited Rebecca Nurse and told her she was being accused of witchcraft. She responded with surprise and then said, "Well, as to this thing, I am as innocent as the child unborn. But surely, what sin hath God found out in me unrepented of, that he should lay such an affliction upon me in my old age?" She was basically questioning what sin she had committed that was being repaid with this accusation, as if she'd done something to bring this all upon herself. That's today's Salem Witch Hunt Daily Report. Have a great today and a beautiful tomorrow.